Here's the complete and current info about the upcoming 2026 Norton V4 RR, the flagship model in Norton's V4 Superbike revival under TVS ownership. Engine and performance. Power plant, 1,200 cubic centimeters, 72 degrees V4, liquid-cooled with chain-driven cams and titanium intake valves. Output, 200 HP at 12,500 RPM and 130 Nm torque at 10,000 RPM. Weight, about 179 kilograms dry, delivering aggressive performance and handling. Chassis et suspension. Frame, hand-built polished aluminum twin-tube chassis, adjustable swing arm pivot and rake. Front suspension, Öhlins NIX 30 inverted forks. Rear, Öhlins TTX GP monoshock, all fully adjustable. Brakes, dual 330mm floating front discs with radially mounted Brembo monoblock calipers. 245mm disc at rear. Wheels, standard forged wheels on RR. Top spec SS gets carbon rims. Electronics and rider aids. IMU base suite, including traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cruise control, and adjustable engine braking. Gearbox, 6-speed manual with quick shifter and auto blipper for seamless shifting. Display, 7 full-color dash with rear-view camera and onboard data logging. Aesthetics and features. Bodywork, carbon fiber fairing, fuel tank, Kevlar reinforced, and optional chrome finish. Weight-saving tech, carbon wheels and billet triple clamps on higher trim. Fully adjustable chassis geometry for track tuning. Launch and market availability. Initial global rollout, EU and UK expected at EICMA in late 2025 for 2026 model year. India launch, targeted for late 2025, priced at Indian rupee 90 lakh, is almost equal to US dollar 96K, 108K. India production, supported by TVS, with local assembly planned post-launch. Pricing and edition details. Expected global price, pound 28,000, US $36,000. 4 V4 RR, V4 SS, carbon wheels, extra paint, priced at pound 44,000, US $56,000. India speculation, Indian rupee 90 lakh in India confirms a premium positioning aligned with global pricing. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates.